ट्रैवल रियलिटी शो, नाम से ही आपको एक यूनिकनेस पता चल रही है, नाम में ही एक सस्पेंस एलिमेंट है, नाम में ही एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है विच इज़ गोना क्रिएट too much of eagerness and anxiety and anxiousness in amongst everyone. लेकिन मैं कुछ बोलूँ उससे पहले I want to introduce our visionary producers, our visionaries who have come up with this beautiful show, Mr. Akash Shukla and Mr. Vishal Pandey. So before I speak anything, I want them to say something about it. It's their baby, it's their vision that they are bringing to life for everyone out here.
So the thing is that everybody loves traveling, and it is about travel, adventure and drama. We are putting together a lot of interesting destinations where all contestants will be traveling. They will be enjoying the luxury runway, sundowner parties and travel challenges from one location to another destination. When we reach, all the journey in between will be adventurous. There will be tasks, there will be challenges, but not the ordinary challenges. There will be drama, there will be tantrums, there will be fun, there will be comedy, there will be adventure at one place. That is about Glamour Runway, because we'll be traveling. So sometimes on the runway, sometimes on the road. It's more like we'll be traveling in a bus from one location to another location for about 25 days. You will see the teaser in a while inside, and you will understand this is going to be the game changer in the reality show industry.
Yes.
Travel. There will be thousands of auditions across the world, majorly the Asian countries, and 50 people will be selected. And these 50 are part of the game, like every other reality show. And then every city will eliminate, and someone who survives the last city will be the winner. That's the game.
Should we divulge that there are going to be 4 countries taking part?
Yes.
Yes. 4 countries taking part.
क्योंकि ट्रैवल सबको पसंद है. आप एक बच्चे से पूछोगे, एक बूढ़े से पूछोगे, एक यंगस्टर से पूछोगे, सबको ट्रैवल पसंद है. एंड एवरीबडी इज इंक्लाइंड अबाउट एडवेंचर. लोग जा रहे हैं, बंजी जंपिंग कर रहे हैं, लोग जा रहे हैं एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर पुटिंग टुगेदर दिस ऑल एट वन प्लेस. People are partying also these days, these all sundowner parties. So we are taking all these 50 people who are experiencing the luxury of life and the parties, adventure, the travel, and most importantly the challenges and the tasks. जब हम टास्क की बात करते हैं तो नॉट द ऑर्डिनरी टास्क की आपको कुछ आर्ट वर्क बनाना है, आपको कुछ 2 लोगों को मिलकर कोई एक्टिविटी करनी है. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टास्क एंड चैलेंजेस, दैट मीन्स एक लोकेशन से दूसरे लोकेशन पे पहुंचने के लिए whatever you have to do. So basically we are giving the IPL version of fashion. There will be teams like IPL, every state will be representing a team and they will be fighting and one will be the winner.
Yes.
Awesome.
In simple
So
words.
if I want to put it in simple words, nowadays if you go on to social media, there are people who want to get into fashion, there are people who want to get into lifestyle, there are people who want to get into travel, there are people who are like, we want to participate in a reality show. So here we are coming up with everything together. You love traveling, we have it for you. You love fashion, we have it for you. You love lifestyle, we have it for you. You love watching reality show, but what happens, आपको अलग अलग रियलिटी शो में अलग अलग चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एक में ड्रामा देखने को मिलता है, एक होता है जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ फैशन देखने को मिलता है, एक होता है जहाँ पे आपको बस ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में, ट्रैवलिंग इनटू द वाइल्ड एंड ऑल देखने को मिलता है. बट हियर we are bringing all the beautiful elements of entertainment together so that this becomes number 1 in entertainment world.
Why people are watching reality shows? For the tantrums, for the drama, for the challenges, for the adventure. We are putting everything together and the talent as well. There will be runways, but runways not the ordinary style like walking on the ramp in the hotel banquet. Something which is outdoor in front of thousands of audiences. Let's say imagine a beach in Goa where we are hosting like 10,000 people and this big runway.
Correct.
That's what we are talking about. So we are scaling up the fashion with the show.
जो contestants होंगे उनको कैसे आप लोग select करने वाले हैं, उस बारे में कुछ बताएं कि क्या-क्या criteria
winner.
Okay, so criteria, there are two criteria. One criteria is we are auditioning across the country, in fact across the Asia Pacific countries as well. And lot of contestants will be participating online. We will be taking city auditions, we'll be bringing them in the show. And again, we will not be just doing through auditions, there will be a lot of celebrity judges who will be team leaders, and they will be part of the game as well. So one, we will be auditioning across the country and we'll be refining the talent. We'll be finding people who are actually passionate about glamour, fashion and the travel. And then we'll be bringing celebrities also who will be representing their own teams. So for an example, UP will have their own team, other state, the Maharashtra will have their own
Delhi
team.
will have one team.
Something like that. That's a surprise.
Yeah, that's a surprise. We
I
cannot
can't
say.
give you everything right now, but this will be at a place where world will watch it, not just the India.
Yeah.
This is going to be a world entity.
Yeah, because in one line, I want to say that we are here to break the stereotype of any kind of entertainment.
Yes.
When you talk about entertainment, you talk about reality. When you talk
Reality.
about reality, you talk about entertainment. But here, we are going to break the stereotype and get the kind of entertainment that everyone is going to look forward to.
Correct.
Let me tell you, ये एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया का ड्रामेबाज एंटरटेनर होने वाला है.
Wow.
Why fashion shows only on the ramp? Why are we not breaking this stereotype? If I'm standing here representing my fashion, what do I have to do, walk on the ramp? I mean, that should be a way, but that should not be only the way. So we are making the fashion in a casual way, in the form of partying, in the form of challenges and tasks. Everywhere the fashion should be, but not just the runways. Runway will be part, and this show will bring you the grand runway of the world.
आपने कहा कि इसमें सेलिब्रिटी जजेस होंगे, तो कुछ नाम रिवील करो या कोई
Not now. No. So we cannot disclose the name
Maybe
now.
we will host another press conference for that. She is with me. She's also a celebrity. She hosted a reality show twice, I guess. Once. So we already have celebrities. One is in front of you, and
So
come. We
Like a
have
Mumbai team.
Indian Idols.
You're holding a Mumbai team.
Think of it as come. Kapil, come here. Kapil is runner-up for Indian Idol 4. Kapil Thapa, come here. You talked about celebrities we have. Kapil Bhai will be there representing music in the reality show.
कितने एक्साइटेड हो आप और क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इतना यूनिक रियलिटी शो है, उसके बारे में अगर कुछ शेयर करना चाहें.
मैं सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहना चाहूँगा.
कम इन द सेंटर.
आ जाओ. सेंटर में आ जाओ.
मैं सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहना चाहूँगा ये पूरी टीम को, और मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए भी नया एक्सपीरियंस है ये सब देखने के लिए.
क्या क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो इस जर्नी में? आई होप आप जर्नी में हो.
Yes. Yes.
Definitely.
क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है जर्नी से? उस बार
वो
Adventure.
आकाश भाई
आप सब
बताएंगे.
आज एक ही दिन पूछ लो सब कुछ. हाँ, हमारे लिए कुछ तो रखिए, कुछ
Adventure,
सीक्रेट.
friendship,
कुछ
passion, parties, और क्या बचा है? That's all. हाँ, अब तुम.
So yeah, if I want to put a glamour runway, a travel reality show in a nutshell, it's like travel meets fashion, fashion meets adventure, adventure meets talent, and the talent is getting an opportunity to be a part of a reality show that is gonna break all the stereotypes across the world, because मुझे नहीं लगता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहीं पे भी ऐसा एक भी reality show है that is getting all these beautiful aspects of entertainment under one roof, and that is what the glamour runway is all about.
कपिल भाई अगर दो लाइनें हो जाए अपनी आवाज़ में.
हाँ,
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल हो जाए.
ये बनता है कपिल भाई.
तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे, उलझ के यूं ना सुलझ मैं सकूं, सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे. थैंक यू.
So we have with us an actor. She has been
I'm very excited. एक्चुअली मुझे विशाल भैया और आकाश भैया ने अप्रोच किया था और मैं इंडिया में बहुत मज़े कर रही हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम नेपाल बाय द वे, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस शो और आई होप सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, अच्छा जाएगा. सॉरी,
How much you travel?
travel.
a lot. I mean, I love traveling with my bhaiya. So a lot.
अच्छा गाना यांशु से सुनो. She also sings. She also. चलो.
Okay. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से. थैंक यू.
इंडिया आपको तहे दिल से गले लगाने के लिए तैयार है.
So one of the contestants we revealed. We were not supposed to.
He is not in Nepal team.
Yangshu from Nepal.
Young
Done.
संचित भाई, संचित.
सबको बुला लो अभी.
मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. जब मैंने ये शो के बारे में विशाल ने मेरे को बताया था जब मैं नेपाल में था, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. उसके बाद में आकाश जी ने जो शो के बारे में मेरे को बोला, ये शो बहुत नया टाइप का एक अमेजिंग टाइप का शो है. मेरे को लगता है ये शो लाजिम पॉपुलर हो जाएगा. मेरे को विश्वास है ये इतना ऊंचाई लेगा ये शो. थैंक यू.
है आपको हमारे फर्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट के बारे में भी पता चल गया है. सो लेट मी टेल यू, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट फैशन, द फर्स्ट नेम दैट कम्स टू एवरीवन्स माइंड, शी इज the fashion Zarina. She is the god when I talk about fashion. Well, I'm talking about the one, the only, the amazingly talented, who has been representing India across the globe, none other than the fashion Zarina, Archana Kochhar. Let me tell you, Miss Archana Kochhar is also a very, very, very important part of our glamour runway. एंड आज आप उनसे रूबरू होने वाले हैं. आज उन्हीं के हाथों हमारा टीज़र लॉन्च होने वाला है एंड शी इज़ गोना बी अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंटायर रियलिटी शो. सो थैंक यू सो मच अर्चना जी, बिकॉज फैशन का नाम आए और आपका नाम ना आए ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. और फैशन रियलिटी अगर हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं आपके बगैर तो हो ही नहीं सकता. थैंक यू सो मच Miss Archana Kochhar ji for being a part of our reality show, the Glamour Runway Travel Reality Show. Thank you.
Glamour Runway is a great event, a great initiative by Vishal and Akash, and great to know about that the initiative is working for sustainability and global. So going local to global is a great initiative. Our name, brand, India will represent across the globe. So I wish them all the best and I wish them for this great event. And I'm sure that this will create a history, not here, but a generation will remember this, a travel show which turned a reality into action and a vision into mission. Thank you. That's it.